Xiaomi 12 Lite and E5G is going to launch very soon. This device already got launched in China. In China, it is launched by the name of Xiaomi Civi 2. The dynamic island notch is one of the highlighting features of Xiaomi 12 Lite and E. Xiaomi copied the latest trend from Apple iPhone 14 Pro. Xiaomi 12 Lite and E will have a 6.5 inches AMOLED panel, Full HD Plus resolution with 10-bit color range, and it has up to 1000 nits brightness with 120 Hz refresh rate, 240 Hz touch sampling rate. This is a great display for content watching, but the new dynamic island notch can be a bit disturbing, but you will get used to it. Please like and comment as it helps with YouTube's algorithm. Now let's talk about the build quality. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection on both front and back panel with aluminium frame. This phone is pretty thin and lightweight also. The weight is going to be around 171 grams and 7.23 millimeters thickness. If we have a close look at the back panel, it has some texture to it with the camera housing on the top left corner and Xiaomi branding on the bottom left corner. The front panel also has pretty thin bezel and chin. For performance, this phone will be powered by Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset based on 4nm architecture. It is a power-efficient chip and you won't have any heat issues, also as there's cooling mechanism for controlling the heating issues. For gaming, you have Adreno's 662GB LPDDR4X RAM with UFS 2.2 storage. You have a triple camera setup with 50-megapixel primary camera, 20-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. You can record up to 4K 30 FPS. For taking selfies, we have two cameras on the front, 32-megapixel primary camera with 32-megapixel ultra-wide camera. You can record up to 1080p 60 FPS video with the front-facing camera. You have 4500 mAh battery with 67 watts fast charger. This phone will easily last for one day if you are a normal user and 9 to 10 hours if you are a heavy user. For security, you have in-display fingerprint sensor and face unlock. Out of the box, this phone comes with Android 12 with MIUI 13. You will have bloatware installed in the phone, but you can uninstall them for a better user experience. This phone also has dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos. You will have two nano SIM slots. There is no slot for memory card. As for colors, we have black, blue, violet, and silver color. This phone will be launched in 3 variants: 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage, 8GB RAM with 256GB internal storage, and 12GB RAM with 256GB internal storage. This phone is rumored to be priced around 25 to 30,000 rupees. Comment and tell me your opinion about this phone. Please subscribe if you aren't subscribed to the channel. Thank you and peace out.